Let us begin. TADA-DADA.
Hello everyone, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, the only place where we make drawing and painting easy for anyone who wants to learn. So let us begin with TADA-DADA.
Next one, what we're gonna go for is the elephant face. That's nice. So let's first make the shade of elephant face. And for the elephant face, I'm gonna use this blue color. On the center and little up, I'm gonna make this thumbprint. I'm holding little while so get the nice texture. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'll use some of the brush stroke here, so I'll just extend this portion. That's nice face what we got now. Now we'll add some with the sketch pen. So here I'm gonna add some here on this side, which is something like this, and the exactly other side also. Oh ho ho, cute elephant what we have. Then this is the eyes what we're gonna draw. There's one eyes here I'm gonna make, and the other one is here. Though it is cute, I'll just add one or two lines of the hair. Very beautiful. And the tip. So this is becoming your cute elephant is ready.
To learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!